Hi everyone, this is a lesson for the Bluebell parents. Today I'm going to tell you, moms and dads, about how we pronounce sounds in Montessori. We always use the phonetic sound when we're just beginning to teach children their sounds. We tend not to use the letter name, for example, A or B. What we do is when we're first teaching children their sounds is we refer to them by their phonetic sound. That would be A instead of A, or B instead of B. Let me show you. At Bluebell, sandpaper letters is the primary way that we teach children their phonetic sounds. We, at our school, group the phonetic sounds into rainbow order. So we always start with red. Then we move on to orange. Then we move on to the group of yellow. When the child has mastered those, we'd move on to green. Then blue. And finally purple. Children can be working on colors, multiple colors at the same time, but I wouldn't want to overload their brains and show them more than one or two at a time. So what we like to do is work towards mastery in Montessori. So all of my first year children are ready to be working on their red sounds, and they are all working on their red sounds. Some of them on their orange, and some have moved even further. But everybody for sure has been exposed to the red sounds. So I'm going to show you the phonetic sound of each letter. A. T. M. S. These would be our red sounds. And the red sound game has been uploaded for your children to do, and everybody's ready for it. Next, we have our orange sounds. So rather than saying I, we would say I. K. R. P. Now, it's really important to remember to not say the vowel sound at the end of each letter. Even though I've been doing this for 20 years, sometimes I still forget, and I still will catch myself saying the vowel sound at the end of a letter. For example, try and just say P rather than P, or R rather than R. That will help the child learn how to slide sounds together to make words if they're used to just saying the sound only. Okay, next we'll move on to yellow. Yellow. B, B. Try not to say B, 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 B. G, G. Ah. Next color of the rainbow is green. L. Oh, I did it. I think I said the vowel sound at the end. Ah, ah. J, J. Blue. Ooh, ooh. This one's a hard one too. I find sometimes I'll say no, no. It's Try not to say duh, duh, d, d. And the last group, purple. And it has the most sounds. It has 6 instead of 4. This one's really tricky. X, x. Kind of like if you have k and s together. X, x, as in fox. V, rather than the, v. Z. And y, y, y. Try not to say y, y, y. Try to just say the sound y. Thanks very much, parents. If there's anything else I can help you with to help your children learn their sounds while they're having their home time, please message me and let me know. We'll see you soon. Thank you.